This is our lamb roast, lamb grill. It was slaughtered 2 days ago, and we marinated it in tandoori, and we made a makeshift grill on the fire, and now we're grilling it.
You should stand here and you tell me I will take.
I'm filming right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
point and shoot. Yeah, that's it. Hello. My sous chef is holding the camera for me. Or maybe I'm her sous chef. I don't know.
No.
Either way.
I'm your sous chef today. Yeah.
Farm life.
I think I should.
We're basting it with lemongrass and oil, fresh lemongrass. We threw some fresh bay leaves into the fire, and this is some fish that they prepared the other day or yesterday.
Just a marinade.
And this is the tandoori marinade. She's making roti inside, a chapati or puri or something like that.